Hello and welcome to Healthy Life, and I hope everyone is safe. We will look at a few remedies for a common problem that is snoring in this short video. What causes people to snore? You are not alone if you snore. Studies show that up to half of all American adults snore. Muscles and tissues in our body while we sleep. Relax your throat and become floppy. While air flows through our throat during the day, vibrations are produced during our sleep. This causes the harsh and irritating snoring sounds. We all know and dislike IT. Snoring could ruin your sleep or the sleep of others. Your associate. Even if IT doesn't annoy you too much, this is not a condition to ignore. Snoring, in fact, could be a sign of a serious illness. Health conditions, including sleep apnea with obstruction, blocked airways, obesity, a problem with your mouth structure, sleep deprivation, nose or throat. Snoring, on the other hand, can be caused by sleeping on your back or drinking too close to bedtime for alcohol. In some cases of snoring, seeking the advice of a doctor is essential in order to receive the best results. The medical course of action, the underlying condition must be addressed. But there are certain factors to consider. I will tell you about simple remedies to control snoring. Number 1. Lose weight. Reducing snoring is easier when we lose weight. This happens because losing weight will not only improve your health, but it will also directly improve your fitness. The amount of excess tissue in the throat is reduced. The irritating tissue is the same tissue that causes the irritating sounds of snoring, so you can start to lose weight by eating less. You can also change to eating smaller portions of food to reduce your overall caloric intake. At regular intersections and creating a diet with more healthy and nutritious foods, including vegetables and fruits. Also ensure you get regular exercise on a daily basis. You could also seek help from your doctor or a nutritionist to manage your diet. In addition to waiting effectively, sleep on your side. Number 2. Sleeping on our backs can be difficult at times. The throat's tongue moves to the back. The usual airflow through is partially blocked by this. Snoring is caused by your throat. Sleeping on your side might be all that's required. Do this to allow easy airflow and reduce or stop snoring. Number 3. Raise your bed's head end. Adding 4 inches to the head of your bed. Keeping your airways open during sleep time may help reduce your snoring. Your oxygen levels will also improve, and your snoring will be reduced. Use nasal strips or an external nasal dilator for number 4. In today's markets, stick-on nasal strips are easily available. You can order them online or get them from a nearby pharmacy. Nasal strips are based on a simple theory. They are placed on the nose bridge. Additionally, they expand the space in the nasal passage. This may help you breathe more effectively. Snoring should be reduced or eliminated. Another option is to use a nasal dilator. Is an adhesive strip that is applied across the nostrils on top of the nose. This has the ability to lower airflow resistance to make breathing easier. To help reduce snoring, try these nasal strips. Insert advertised link. Number 5. Effectively manage your chronic allergies. Allergies can cause swelling in the airways. Airflow through your nose may be reduced as a result of this, where you are forced to breathe through your mouth. This raises your chance of winning. Snore. Consult your doctor about over-the-counter medications or allergy medications on prescription may help your condition. Number 6. Limit or avoid alcohol prior to going to bed. Alcohol has been demonstrated in many studies. Eating before going to bed can cause more relaxation of the throat muscles, which causes snoring. So, don't drink alcohol for at least 2 hours before going to bedtime. Even a small habit can help you lead a healthy life. Stop smoking. Number 7. Smoking is a healthful but unhealthful habit. Results of studies. Smoking causes widespread destruction in our body, as studies have shown. This is not an exception. You are not only more likely to snore, but you are also more likely to snore. If you smoke, you may experience episodes of apnea. So, the best option is to stop smoking. Nicotine gums and patches can be effective for you. Methods. To effectively consult your doctor or therapist. To learn more about how smoking affects our health, manage your cravings. Body, click the banner above to watch our video. Insert banner. Number 8. Sleep enough. Excess tiredness, daytime sleepiness, and snoring symptoms can be exacerbated by incomplete sleep. Make sure you get the recommended sleep of 7 to 8 hours each night. Your body will react favorably to enough rest, and you will certainly feel your snoring decreasing. Use an oral appliance for number 9. Oral appliances or dental mouthpieces are also a favorite snoring control method. These work on the same principles by maintaining your air passages open, making breathing easier for you. Snoring is prevented as a result of this. But, you must see your dentist to receive help. Made by one of these devices. Medical interventions, number 10. Snoring resolves in the most parts of the world. Changes in lifestyle and the methods mentioned above, such as weight loss. Snoring, on the other hand, can cause disease in some cases. Problems with breathing. To avoid this, your doctors may recommend a few medical interventions. These are commonly used as the last resort. An example of one of these is: use a CPAP machine, continuous positive airway pressure. Wearing a pressured air mask over your nose while sleeping can be helpful if medically appropriate. Use the CPAP machine, which uses pressured air via a mask, to help keep your airway open. Patients are advised to keep the mask on during their sleep time. Patients with breathing difficulties associated with this treatment are often recommended IT. Obstructive sleep apnea is also known as snoring. The most commonly used medical intervention is effective for the majority of patients. Implants in the palatal section. This procedure is also known as the pillar procedure. Injecting braided strands of polyester filament into your mouth is the treatment. Palate that is soft. Snoring is reduced as a result of this stiffening. Snoring can interrupt your and your partner's sleep. But, in addition to being annoying, it could indicate a serious health problem. Visiting your doctor and trying one or more of the above treatment options may be of help to you. Get in control of your sleep. Think about liking and sharing this video. We at MedSimplified are dedicated to providing quality information in a convenient and effective manner. At all times, you will receive the most recent and updated content. If you would like to help us, please think about it. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and become a member or donate on Patreon. The description below contains links. Thank you so much. Be vigilant and mask up. Remember to be safe.